Hey everyone, let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is January 18th, 2022, and I will be revisiting my analysis from September 2021 for Argosy Minerals, and which the SX code is AGY. This is the stock that we analyzed 4 months ago, and some of our VP members made incredibly good profits after our analysis. So I want to share with you whether this could still go up further, what's happening with the development of the Rincon project, and also, did you miss the boat or still there is a time to buy? If it is, when to buy? So let's have a look. Just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, just from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid Fomo, which is a key element for this video, right? If you buy now, you'll be buying in the Fomo area. So we will see in the next few minutes. So, and much more, all in this channel, guys. So if you like, please subscribe. And most important, share this video with someone that you believe could be helping or adding value to. Also, want to invite you for our free Facebook community group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I will share with you the link for this very same analysis in this group. We decide lately trade core lithium instead Argosy Minerals for the fact that core lithium is going to be Australian next lithium producer, where Argosy Mineral will be produced in Argentina, which is okay, it's good, but we still prefer Australian producer. So now we up 71% profits by simply applying BG trading strategy, which is switch from BGS 20 strategy. Once the stock has reached target 1 and target 2, switch to BG trading strategy, and now up 71% together with our VIP members. They are also enjoying great profits in this stock. So great time to be in lithium stocks. Let's jump straight into Argosy Mineral and understand a little bit. I already put my updated analysis here. So we're going to go through right now as we speak. So this is our original video in September when the stock was trading around 13 cents. So I'm putting the link there if you want to see. At the time, we said that Argosy Mineral was a very interesting stock to speculate, provided that phase 2 of Rincon project was effectively going to commencement, which was exactly what happened. Now, Argosy Mineral, if you don't know, it is a mineral exploration company which holds 2 different projects: Rincon lithium project in Argentina and Tunnel Path lithium project in US. And apologies if I'm not pronouncing the name of the project correctly. But there's so many projects in so many different companies. Just go as we go, as long as you understand. That's what I'm happy with. Now, the main topic of this analysis and what's really going on in this company is to do with the Rincon project in the Golden Triangle in Argentina. So the project is currently in development phase 2, and is 53% completed, in line with the lead time, with the schedule, and also in line with the budget, which is a very important fact, to start producing in the middle of 2022, which is great. What they call 99.5% battery quality lithium carbonate. Now, the progress of the Rincon project, that's something that we want to discuss a little bit, because this is the main thing. The 99% of the earthworks land movement is already completed for the plant that will produce lithium carbonate, 2 tons of lithium carbonate. 86% of the site work completed. 73% of the brine system is also completed. 48% of the process plant is also completed. And then 45% of the utility and association services is also in place. So it's pretty good. This is what we're talking about, because there's a lot of exploration companies out there, and that we've been actually discussing this channel. But this one, together with Core Lithium, it is for us our best pick in terms of shifting what it was a speculative trade to a potentially investment grade stock. That's what we're looking at. Reducing the speculative side of the trade and then becoming more like investment stock, because we know this company will start producing revenue and will have some compelling cash flow coming in place. Now, stage one of the project was to develop its technology. The company even managed to produce some a really high battery grade lithium carbonate and sold to a Korean company. So proving that the technology is in there, and the company is ready to escalate that. Then obviously, the stage two is now in progress. Should be ready by the mid of completed by mid of the year. And then they're also talking about stage three, which is going to be a shifting, amplifying the production capacity from 2,000 tons a year to 10,000 tons. We're talking about 5 times the current estimated production, to 10 tons a year. And that's what the company really wants to achieve into the medium run here, and take advantage of high lithium prices, which is something they always need to monitor. You always need to check whether the company, whether lithium price is still is still up, how many players in the market, and how squeezed the supply really is at the time, because it's now really squeezed. There's a massive demand for lithium, not enough supply, but we never know what's going to happen in 6 months' time, when more producers will come in the market, and especially in 12 months' time and 24 months' time. So you always keep checking, because if you have this as investment, stocks that are good for the long term, only for some sort of period of time. We've seen many stocks going up massively, and then after 10 years, it's still trading at the same levels that was 20 years before, or even low. So you need to make sure whatever investment you have to understand what the macroeconomics effect are influencing into the stock price. Now, the expansion of 10 tons per annum, as I said before, it's in place. It's in already on the pipeline. And then obviously, then when they talk about low carbon footprint, blah blah blah, which is also obviously something that companies need to ensure. But the bottom line really is this company start producing lithium. That's what the market really wants, and that's why it's going to make the company to go, the stock price to keep going up. So this is going to be one of the next lithium producers. The company also holds interest in Tunnel Path Lithium project in the US, as I said. Still now in early stage, still exploring the drilling intersections to find lithium in the brine. But that's something for the next few years to be developed. There's no development schedule at the moment. Still exploration phase. But now, put this way, would you rather invest in a company that is just exploring, or in a company that has two projects like this one? One project is exploring, and the other project that actually has proven technology to produce 99.5% battery grade lithium, and also have already the plant to be built. Now, I'm not pumping dumping stock, guys, just so to be clear. This was 4 months ago. I'm just confirming what I have already seen. And then obviously now the stock price, let's go to the software. The stock price is trading in the Fomo area, guys. This is the truth. If you had invested this stock 52 weeks ago, like a year ago, we would be holding a 218% profit right now as we speak. Now, at the moment, the stock's trading. And if you haven't bought the stock when I did the analysis 4 months ago, you also will be over 200% profit. Because that was in August, where it was in September, where the stock was trading at 13, like 14, 15 cents. Now it is 40 cents. See? Now, when should we buy the stock? When should we buy the stock? Now, according to our strategy, by now, if you're watching our videos, you should know already. You never buy when the SP, the candles are trading into a higher distance between the red line, which is the SMA. It's our reference to buy. No, you never buy when it's there. At the moment, we're looking at a 51% gap between the SMA and the candle and the SP, the stock itself. So we don't want to do that because it's too risky. You might take another correction. Most likely, we will take another correction if you buy now here, right? So my thoughts is if you're holding, keep holding. If you want to enter, you gotta wait to the next correction. The next correction will definitely bring the SP, the candles, back to the SMA level, whatever the SMA level is, which is the red line. As soon as they meet or the candles goes under like this, then it is the time to buy. I will be monitoring this particular stock together with our VIP members to take most advantage of the next run. But at the moment, we would not touch, we would not buy at the current price because this is the top of the market. Even though the long-term prospect is still positive, don't buy upon a possible correction. All right. So this is my taking on Argosy Minerals. Wait for the next correction. Patience is key to succeed in the stock trading and invest. And then sooner or later, the next correction will happen. And then that's when we buy with both foot stock like this. I'll see you in the next video. Leave your comments. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you bought when you showed the original video and what's happening now. See you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.